Welcome! Today we will demonstrate how to engrave an acrylic cover image of 28 years later using a Bluetimes RF laser marking machine. This is a perfect creative design that not only showcases the fine craftsmanship of laser engraving, but also adds personality and unique charm to your work. Next, we need to import the file into Bluetimes control software. We can choose to use an image or vector file and set the engraving area as needed. In the software, adjust the engraving parameters. We can set the engraving depth, speed, and power according to the thickness of the acrylic board, the material, and the desired effect. Bluetimes RF laser marking machine provides precise adjustment options to optimize the engraving effect according to design requirements. This technology can not only produce exquisite patterns and texts, but also maintain long-term clarity and durability. With the Bluetimes RF laser marking machine, you can create futuristic and artistic works. First, make sure your acrylic sheet is ready and placed on the workbench of the marking machine. Please make sure there is no dust or oil on the surface of the acrylic sheet to ensure a more perfect engraving effect. Now everything is ready. Click Start. The laser marking machine will accurately engrave according to the design, and we can see the fine lines and text gradually appear. After the engraving is completed, you can easily remove the acrylic plate and enjoy the delicate engraving effect. If you also want to try it, pick up your device and unleash your creativity.